viewers to Top 10 News at 10. I am Antara. Pixxel hits a technical snag, delays Earth imaging satellite launch again. Bengaluru-based SpaceTech startup Pixxel is facing complications as software glitches were found during the final stages of satellite testing. It is scheduled to launch India's first Earth imaging satellite into space on February 28 this year as part of ISRO's PSLV C51 mission. Early learning platform Kutuki raises Rs 16 crore in seed round led by Omidyar Network India. Kutuki is an early learning platform catering to 3 to 7-year-old children. It received the funding from Omidyar Network, existing angel investors, Better Capital, First Cheque and Abhishek Nag also participated in the round. These funds will be used for expanding the content library to cover all major Indian languages, create a more immersive learning experience for children and to expand its reach, especially in Tier 2 cities and beyond. Tomorrow Capital earmarks Rs 200 crore for startups, leads Rs 47 crore funding in Leverage Edu. Tomorrow Capital is scouting for investment opportunities and has set aside Rs 200 crore that will be deployed over the next 12 months. The Mumbai-based company has also led a Rs 47 crore Series A round in global education platform Leverage EdTech Private Limited run by Leverage Edu. AI startup Argoid raises $1.7 million led by Nest Venture Capital. Argoid, a Silicon Valley and Bengaluru-based artificial intelligence enterprise, has raised $1.7 million in a seed round led by Nest Venture Capital. The investment will enable it to further build on its technology to sustain the product leadership, positioning and increase its customer base and satisfaction. Cabinet approves Rs 7,350 crore PLI scheme for manufacture of IT hardware. The Union Cabinet has approved the Production-Linked Incentive Scheme for information technology hardware products such as personal computers, laptops, tablets and servers with incentive worth Rs 7,350 crore. It will be provided for over 4 years for manufacturing of these products in India. InvestCorp to invest $10.36 million in luggage brand Safari Industries. Safari Industries is a luggage and bags brand. The transaction is now subject to shareholders and regulatory approvals. Safari Industries is India's third largest and fastest growing luggage brand. Innovator turns unicorn with new funding from Tiger Global. Healthcare software as a service startup Innovator has entered the $1 billion club with its new fundraising round led by the Tiger Global Management, trebling its valuation to $1.3 billion. Innovator, which was valued at $350 million last year after it closed its Series C funding round, has raised just $105 million in the new round. Razorbay is in talks to raise $2 billion valuation in new funding round. Fintech startup Razorbay is in talks with its existing investor Singapore's Sovereign Investment Fund GIC and others to raise $150 to $200 million in a financing round that could see its valuation nearly double to $2 billion in less than 6 months. That would be one of the fastest increases in valuation for an Indian startup. Raise Financial, a fintech startup founded by former Paytm Money CEO Praveen Jadhav, has raised its seed funding round led by Mirai Assets early stage fund with participation from US-based social leverage, Bloom Ventures, Founders Fund, and multi-act equity. Sequoia Capital exists from car and bike pooling startup Quickride. Venture capital firm Sequoia Capital India has reportedly exited from the Bengaluru-based car and bike pooling startup Quickride. According to N-Tracker, Sequoia exited late last year with a 40 to 50% cut on the amount it had invested in the company. That's all for today's bulletin. Thank you for watching. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our YouTube channel. Do check out. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in for exclusive interviews and programs. Thanks for joining.